Hey guys, welcome to my video on how to buy Ethereum in under 5 minutes. In this video, I'm just going to go through some very simple tips on how to actually go ahead and buy cryptocurrencies, the things that you'll need to sign up for an account at an exchange, and all the basics of holding cryptocurrencies as well. If you need some more in-depth information and tutorials, check out my channel, but we'll start with the things that you need first, which is your documents. If you've never bought Ethereum or any cryptocurrency before, then I'm assuming that you will want to buy this cryptocurrency with a fiat currency like US dollars or whatever your currency is. You can do that, but you need to go to a broker or an exchange service. And if you do want to sign up for an account with these places and actually buy cryptocurrency with a fiat currency, you will need your personal details. So your name as it appears on your ID, also an address, telephone number, an ID card, either a driving license if you're in the UK, a national ID in other countries, and a passport will do as well. So once you've got your ID documents and all your information ready, you will need to choose an exchange to go ahead and buy the cryptocurrencies. Very popular services include Binance, either Binance or Binance US if you're in the States, and Coinbase. There's another option called Kraken Pro, but there are many exchanges around. Binance is the biggest by market volumes and Coinbase is number 2. I will leave links to those in the description if you want to go ahead and start with an account so you know you're going through to the right place to sign up. Both of these services offer very easy to use smartphone apps as well, and all you have to do once you sign up is go over to their simple method of buying cryptocurrencies. They will act as an exchange service. So all you do is choose the fiat currency that you want to use to buy the cryptocurrency, in this case Ethereum, and they will charge you a small fee on top for providing that service. The second way to buy Ethereum is to use their more professional trading services. The benefit of these is that you will get lower fees when you trade, and you also have more control over the prices that you pay. The downside is it does take a slight learning curve to get to know how to use these systems. If you want to know how to trade cryptocurrencies and how to use these systems, I have tutorials on my channel. I will link those in the description below. Next, we come to purchase methods, and there's two main ways that you can get fiat currencies on account to go ahead and buy Ethereum and other cryptos. The first way is a credit card. This is by far the easiest way and also the quickest way to go through and trade a cryptocurrency and buy something like Ethereum. The downside is that it is by far the most expensive way. You may be paying anywhere from 2.5% to 3.5% plus a flat fee every time you make a transaction. It is quick though. The second and cheaper way is to just transfer some fiat currencies onto your exchange trading account via a bank transfer. A bank transfer takes a little bit more effort to get the cash onto your account, but most services like Binance and Coinbase don't charge you for bank transfers in, so you won't be paying any extra. And then when you go ahead and buy the cryptocurrency, you'll just be paying a small bit on top for the exchange rate. Once you've gone ahead and bought your Ethereum, you might need to store them in a safe place. Keeping coins on an exchange isn't recommended by most experts because when you use an exchange, they are actually custodians, meaning they keep all the coins. That means you specifically don't have ownership and control of them. In normal times, this is actually a really cheap and easy way to store your coins. But of course, if an exchange does suffer a hack and coins get stolen, your coins will be gone and you'll have absolutely no recourse to get them back. You can download a mobile wallet and most of these are completely free. Binance has Trust Wallet, Coinbase has Coinbase Wallet. You can use other wallets like Konomi. There are many. In fact, I've got some videos on the best mobile wallets. If you want to see that, I'll link it in the description. Mobile wallets do add an extra layer of security for you, but they aren't completely safe because they do still use some online services. So you may want to look into a hardware wallet if you've got a lot of coins. Buying a hardware wallet essentially gives you a small USB key type of device, and it stores a private password on there called a private key. You are the only one that knows that, and you are the only one that can have access to the private keys with your passwords when you're using that hardware wallet. Hardware wallets are offline, meaning they absolutely can't be hacked. The only way you can gain access to coins is if you have the recovery phrase and your private keys along with the public keys. It is a slightly long-winded process to keep coins on a hardware wallet versus a mobile wallet or on the exchange, but it is the safest way and it is recommended if you have a large amount of coins that you don't need to trade right now. That is the basics though of going ahead and buying Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies. I will link the exchanges that I use and the hardware wallets and everything like that in the description, along with some other helpful videos as well. I hope this one was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe for way more crypto content. and I'll see you in the next one.